you see the warning on the dash of your Mini Cooper saying brake system drive moderately, this means that one of the brake pad wear sensors has been triggered, or maybe there are issues with the sensor itself. There are several scenarios of how you can deal with the situation. First of all, you may keep driving, and the infotainment screen should say something like you can drive carefully, so there is no need to stop right in the middle of the road and call a tow truck or something. When the sensor is triggered, you will still have 300 to 500 miles of driving without any risks. As I've already said, that message is triggered by the brake pad wear sensor, and it can actually be caused by the thin brake pads or also by electrical connection issues in the system. First of all, wouldn't hurt to get a good high-end scanner and read the codes, because the code will tell you which exact sensor is sending the warning. At this point, you will at least know if this is for the rear or front pads. Also, when you know which sensor has triggered the warning, it would be nice to take off the wheel in question and look at the sensor's connections. You may track down the wire till you find the plug and check if the plug is engaged properly. Also, if there are issues with the wheel bearing or the brake rotor, this may quickly kill the sensor itself, and it will send wrong readings. You may see the warning brake system drive moderately even if brake pads are fine. In this case, the brake pad wear sensor will need replacement, and it's 15 to 25 pounds or euros depending on the model and where you buy it. Also, Mini and BMW recommend replacing these sensors every time you change brake pads, because if they are triggered, there is no way they will work again. Of course, you can save several euros and install the old sensors, but only in case they weren't triggered, or you can just replace one sensor that was triggered. But honestly, it's not worth it, because the sensors are very easy to damage when taking them out, and you may eventually see the same warning when you put everything back together.